Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Clickbank tracking feature that they provide. Now, the Clickbank tracking feature is useful for knowing where your sales have come from. Okay, let's go over to promote products. Let's go to the marketplace. Let's just have a look in the marketing and ads section. And let's say that we want to promote this product, okay, Maverick Moneymakers. Now we want to go ahead and create the hop link as you would usually do, and this box comes up. Here you want to enter in your Clickbank ID, so your Clickbank ID, and here we go, tracking ID. Now this is optional, but smart people, okay, smart affiliates are going to be using tracking in their affiliate promotion. This is so you know where your sales are coming from. You could use tracking IDs to insert into your newsletters, okay, and you can also use a different ID when promoting the Clickbank product via pay-per-click marketing. So then you can go into your reports and see where the sales have come from to immediately tell you whether the sales came from your newsletter or whether they came from your pay-per-click advertising. Okay, so let's say we're going to promote this product in our email. Okay, we're going to broadcast the email out and we want to promote this product. So we're going to insert a tracking ID called email. Okay, now you can enter something more complex that no one will be able to figure out, but for this demonstration purpose, it's just okay to put in email right now. So I'm going to click on create. Okay, and here is the link now that we want to promote. Let me copy that and paste this into this document here. Okay, now let me quickly redo that link, but without the tracking ID, just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to omit the tracking ID right now, and here is just the normal link that most affiliates use when promoting their products, these Clickbank products. See, this one doesn't have the tracking ID on the end, this one has the tracking ID. Now I'm going to insert this into my email and then broadcast a message out to my whole list. And should I get a sale in the reporting section, okay, let me just go into one of my accounts. Okay, I'm inside one of my Clickbank accounts, and see this column right here, okay, CID. That's an abbreviation for tracking ID. Now if you had a tracking ID at the end here, it will be displayed in this column here. So if I used this tracking ID with the word email at the end, that word would be displayed here, email, and I would instantly know that this sale has come from this link that I inserted into my email, which I broadcasted out to all my subscribers. So you could also use this in pay-per-click marketing, where you could have a unique link just for a particular keyword that you're using. So say we're using the keyword rabbit, okay, to bring in buyers who are searching for something on rabbits or something like that. So okay, so once the visitor comes in after searching on that keyword rabbit and we get a sale, we'll have this ID pop up here saying rabbit, and we're going to instantly know that that keyword brought us in that particular sale. So that's how you pretty much use tracking IDs in your affiliate promotions.